I'm taking a video now. He's talking to you. Trying to tell you something. Yeah. He's like, give me some, man. What you got in that cup? Hook a brother up. Hook a brother up with a drink, man. Just two buddies looking for fish in the water. How cute is this? Oh my God, this is so adorable. I bet if you put that cup down there, he'd let you pet his head. If he thinks he's going to get the cup. Huh? He's just hanging out with you. No, you stay right there till he leaves. No, don't. This is going to be so good. He's talking to the pelican now. I can't believe I'm getting this on video. I don't either, but I'm taping. Huh? 9 netbooks? Yeah. Just two buddies enjoying their morning coffee, looking for fish in the bay. Oh, he says, what do you got in there? I think I want some. Put it down there and see if he'll stick his beak in it. He's like, oh, are you giving it to me? Cool. Cool, dude. Now, if you step back one step, I bet you you're just a little too close. Well, I guess you're still too close. Hold it down there and see what he does. Hold it down there to him and see what he does. Want some coffee?